Now, when you want to load up your bucket or wheelbarrow, so you've got some stock for your fireplace there, I use the bottoms up. So I don't like touching these bits of timber and I get spiked and some of the little ratbacks in the back of them and all sorts of crawling creatures which I don't like. So this thing, the bottoms up, makes it so much easier. Just go over it, close, and empty your bucket. Sort of line it up, close, and empty your bucket again. So much easier. You can get from the top, or you can even grab them just from the bottom. Just lift, so easy, and empty your bucket again. Easy as that. And don't forget, by doing this, you could even grab logs, it's only a small one, but you could even put them into your fireplace at the same time without getting burnt.